guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So before we get started, I do have a nail tray that I purchased from Mama Makes Her Own Dips off of Etsy. And so today's colors, we will be using April Gift of Revel from 2021, Classy and Sassy. I thought I was going to use clear, but I didn't. And then I have my finger rest, and I will be using Revel regular dip liquid, so I have on my respirator so I don't get dip flu. And so I did apply one coat of UNT peel off base coat on top of my builder gel, and we're just going to go ahead and get it popping with this dip powder application. do my filing and buffing off camera. And so y'all look at my tray. The activator went through the resin. Disappointed. But you know, I'll still use it. And so I have some water slide decals from Tish Nail Designs, and these are beach themed. And so I'm going to cut out the decals per my usual method, and I'm going to spray them with water and apply sticky base coat to my nails. Now, if you don't have sticky base coat, you could use gel base coat and cure it in an LED lamp. That way you get a tacky layer. You just need something tacky on the nails so that the decals will stick to your actual nails. And so I'm just doing my usual method. And if you're wondering about what's on my right hand, I was just messing around with some stamping polish and some plates. I need to fill in, and so I was just putting regular nail polish on my nails. But anyway, I digress. And so I'm going to apply the sticky base coat and apply the water decals. So I'm just going in with Tish Nail Design stamper. You can use a regular stamper. I just purchased this one to see if it made it easier. It was the same application, but I was struggling to get the top off straight, struggling. I was like, what in the world? But anyway, I got it off, and then I'm just going to use that to apply the decals. And I will try to smooth out any wrinkles once I apply it to the nail. But that middle finger, for whatever reason, you know, it had wrinkles in it, and I think it kind of went away. Well, they never go away, but you know, once I applied top coat, they kind of, what do you call it, camouflage the wrinkles in the decal. Because look at all that wrinkling, just a mess. And so I'm going in with acetone and cleaning up any excess decal that's in the cuticle area and on the side of my nail. And the thing is, the decals didn't cover the entire width of my nail, and that's okay. That's why it's always good to, usually people say put a light color, but I can only imagine if I would have did a white color, that difference where the decal didn't fit the nail would have just stood out like a sore thumb. And I think that beige color or tan really kind of camouflaged the fact that the decal didn't fit over my entire nail bed. So, of course, I applied some extra to this nail, and so these are some foil like pieces that go on the nail. I got these out of Daily Charms subscription box. It was a beach theme subscription box, and my downfall with this, I applied sticky base coat to adhere those pieces to the nail. I should have bent them on an orange wood stick to kind of round them out, because some of them did stick up on the nail after I top coated, especially on the pinky. I put a little starfish there, and I could just feel it on the nail. I actually think I cut myself, cut my finger pad on my middle finger on my right hand with that, because it was just sticking out. Even with 2 coats of top coat, it was sticking out. And so I'm just applying those to my nail just to give a little something extra. Y'all know I got to be extra, and I think this mane was extra, but I liked it. That's the thing. And then the sticky base coat, it smeared my little seahorse. Doggone sticky base coat smeared my seahorse. And I was like, see, that's what you get. You should have used some doggone gel base coat and cured it and let it get tacky, or just put it in there, put the gel base coat on and place the pieces and then cure and then do a layer of top coat. See, you live and you learn. Once I get those placed, again, I place those with the sticky base coat. I'm going to go in with Revel's Glass Shield Gel Top Coat. It's a 60-second cure, and I'm going to apply that to my nails. Now, you really can't see, but on my middle finger, I have some they remind me of kind of like bubbles, but they're little like caviar beads that came in the Daily Charms subscription box. That was, again, it was summer themed, beach themed box. And so I put that kind of where the sand meets the water, and I applied those with the sticky base coat. And so when I went to gel top coated, those things are moving everywhere. And so I end up putting 2 coats of top coat on each nail and cured in between each coat for 60 seconds. And so I put some gold starfish. Again, this container came in the Daily Charms subscription box. And I actually recorded me opening that box, but I didn't do the voiceover. Y'all have to let me know if you want to see what all came in that Daily Charms summer subscription box. I think it's like you get it 4 times a year, and they just started it. It has some cute stuff in there, but if you're not that creative, it's kind of hard to use all that stuff. But I found a way to use some of that stuff in this particular mani. So Revel's top coat, it does have an inhibition layer. So after curing, you have to go in with the alcohol pad. And I got these larger alcohol pads off of Amazon. And I'm just cleaning off the tacky layer from the nail, and you can see where it got stuck on that little starfish. So I had to end up going in with some nail clippers and clipping off what I could that was sticking up off the nail. So like I said, I should have bent them on an orange wood stick to make them more curvier to fit the nail. And so after your nails have cured, you got that tacky layer taken off the nail, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. So guys, please like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.